Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to cash out Novelah app. Novelah is a platform that allows you to earn money by reading and writing stories. If you have accumulated enough coins in your account, you can cash out your earnings through PayPal or other payment methods. You have to follow some steps to cash out in Novelah app. Open the Novelah app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the wallet icon at the top right corner of your profile. Tap on the Cash Out button and choose your preferred payment method. Enter your payment details and the amount you want to cash out. Tap on the Confirm button and wait for the confirmation message. You will receive your payment within 24 hours after the confirmation. You need to have at least $10 in your account to cash out. You can only cash out once every 24 hours. You may be asked to verify your identity before receiving your payment. That's how you can cash out to the Novelah app. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.